Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes.
I begin by gathering a piece of paper and a Sharpie marker, plus a pencil to draw a simple picture with movement. I'm using a variety of lines to draw a football flying through a goal post. I will use a couple simple lines to show movement in my picture. Follow along to see how. What effect do you think those three simple straight lines behind the football had on my picture? Artists can sometimes use lines like these to show movement in their artwork. You can use movement lines in your artwork too. You could create a doodle of a football flying through a goalpost like me, or come up with your own creative idea. I do hope you try this drawing idea in your own style. Yours may be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, happy making, artists. Enjoy!